Euro code is the 99. It's the old.
All right, guys, we're here with Steven, with Miata, and we just met Rumblebee.Sti. His name's Sam. He's over there. We'll plug him. We'll talk to him about his car a little bit. And all right, Sam, you want to tell us a little bit about your car real quick?
Oh man, this is a full interview.
Yeah, just some bits and pieces.
Oh man. Okay. Well, this is my 2004 STI. I've had it since 2008. I didn't do much to it at all. Wasn't caring to. And then right around 2012, I decided to play along with it. Well, actually, my wife forced me to put on my car parts. I know that sounds funny that a wife would support you, but it was more like save the living room. So she wanted me to save the living room so the kids could start playing and not get cut up by all these like rigid car parts that are lying around. So then I threw it all on, and pretty much it wasn't exactly like this right off the bat. You know, she's kind of evolved a few times, but right now she's you know, she's running on some 3-piece clutch wheels, full vinyl wrap, underlay, honeycomb. So damn, I can't even talk. What most people don't see is you know, the embossing. So you actually see the honeycombs. It doesn't just stop at the line, it comes all the way around. And to kind of feed into the whole honeycomb scheme of things, over at Lumesthetic, they took care of me and they did like a nice little honeycomb pattern taillight thing going on. And then the guys over at Circuit Demon, they also thought it would be kind of cool to feed into the lighting hexagon thing, and they also did a retro set for me right here, hexagon, all the things. And pretty much as far as what's under the hood, I mean, it's still you know, just a regular EJ 2.5. It is an STI, it's not a WRX. Steel braided fuel rails, 20G turbo. I went front mount with your typical parent goodness. I have some Mishimoto goodness as well. I have the oil cooler here, and if I pop, I mean, it's not much to look at, but it's something to see. So here's my bay underneath. Went with the Mishimoto expansion reservoir tank. Went with the Rockstar edition, but just upgraded my hoses so they would be more resilient. Replaced my power steering reservoir over here with a nice aluminum one. Typical strip bar. My AOS from Crawford. Definitely shout out to those guys in Powered by RPM for all the help that they've done with the actual setup. And pretty much that's it. I got a stock ass battery. But definitely much love to Subtle Solutions. They were definitely on board from a long time ago. They do a lot of garnishings and covers for your engine bay. And yeah, this is my work in progress. I don't even refer to it as a build, it's just my project. I think people who say build, they kind of oversaturate the use of that. They need to stop saying build so much. Okay. So you have the yellow here, and you can go ahead and just change it, just to whatever color. See what's there.
Yeah, that's dope. That's super sick.
Yeah, and then you can change the potency of that color by the tone right here, so you can get a really light or really dark.
Oh damn! There's a lot of controls into the actual color that.
And this is just under that solid. You know, like these are my hazards now.
This has made me even more stoked to get my headlights.
Dude,
like,
you're gonna have a good time with them. I don't regret.
Yeah.
I don't regret investing into these. They were expensive as hell, but
yeah, exactly.
you know,
Alright, we're ending this vlog right here. Follow Rumblebee.Sti. I'll plug him. You guys all know Steven. I'll plug him too, but you guys should know him from my videos before. Peace.
I'm right here at the